Hey you guys, it's your girl Kiki. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, then first thing is first, please go hit that subscribe button. Today I'm going to be showing you guys this YouTube video of these eyebrows here. It's pretty simple and easy. You only need two basic things, which is your eyebrow pencil that you love to use. The second thing you're going to need is Q-tips. And before you guys, look at me crazy and you blow up my comments talking about, sis, Q-tips, really? Really? What do you need Q-tips for?
Q-tips, really? Really? What do you need Q-tips for?
I'm going to show you in a second, okay? I'm going to show you why you need the Q-tips. There is a reason for the Q-tip. I like to use Q-tips when I do my eyebrows. Some people don't. Some people use the spoolies, the eyebrow brushes, and that's fine. On the other hand, when it comes to my eyebrows and how I do them, I use the Q-tip. So if you want to do my technique, then just get your eyebrow pencil that you love, some Q-tips, and we will get started. Okay, you guys, I actually ran out of my eyebrow pencil, so I had to go buy another one. But this is the Rimmel Professional Eyebrow Pencil in black brown. I freaking love this pencil. I also have my Q-tips. You don't need a lot, maybe like 2 or 3. So the first thing you're going to do is draw a bottom line underneath your eyebrow. You want to do this in small strokes and just follow the natural shape of your brow to help you draw a straight line all the way across. Once you're done drawing your bottom line, you're going to do the exact same thing on the top of your eyebrow. Once you reach the peak of your eyebrow and where you want your eyebrow to curve, you're going to drop down and create a line at an angle, and again follow your natural shape until the two ends of your lines that you've created touch and meet. Now, once you are done with that, you're going to fill in the middle of your eyebrow and just fill in any gaps that you may see. Okay, now this is where the Q-tips come in handy. You're going to use your Q-tip to wipe away anything that you don't want or any mistakes that you made. I'm going to grab a second Q-tip and use this one to help blend out my eyebrows. To get that gradient looking effect in the inner part of your eyebrow, you just want to rub your Q-tip back and forth and in an up and down motion like I am doing here to create a perfectly blended eyebrow. Here I am just using a Q-tip again to fix any mistakes that I made while trying to blend out my eyebrows. Now I'm going to go in and quickly do the same thing to my other eyebrow and just try to get them to look the same. The last thing I'm going to do is just brush out my eyebrows a little bit. And this is the final look. So yeah, you guys, this is my everyday eyebrow routine. Very quick and simple. Thank you guys for subscribing. I hope this was really helpful for you guys. I hope you guys go out and try it and get this a really cheap eyebrow pencil, girl, because this be doing the damn thing for me, okay? Yeah, it's just amazing. And it's only $3.49 at Target. Like, come on now. $3.49 at Target. I would get this at my job and get an even bigger discount, but of course my job doesn't carry this for some reason, and I don't know why, because these eyebrow pencils are bomb. So yeah, I always have to go to Target to find it. It's only $3.49, girl. Can't get any better than that. Okay, so I've been talking like way too long, and a girl gotta get some chill time and do some things before work today. I really don't want to go to work, but a girl gotta pay her bills. Yeah, girl gotta pay her bills. But anyway, please hit that subscribe button and support your girl. Any love and support from you guys is greatly appreciated, so please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also, if you enjoyed this video, you use this technique and you love it, then please hit the like button too. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.